Welcome to Shaun Social. In this video, we'll show you how to manage OpenID providers to streamline your user's login experience. First, let's access the Manage OpenID section. From your dashboard, navigate to Site Settings, then select Manage OpenID. Here, you can see all configured OpenID providers, like Facebook, Google, LinkedIn, and Twitter. To add a new OpenID provider, click the Create New button in the top right corner. This will bring up a form where you'll enter the necessary details to set up the new provider. Let's go over each field required to add an OpenID provider. In Name field, enter your preferred name for provider. In App Name field, enter a unique name for the provider. Return URL, app URL, and delete user URL. These URLs are pre-filled by the system, so you won't need to type them manually. Logo, upload a logo for easy identification. In the next section, you'll configure the server settings and security credentials. In Server field, enter your server URL. Next, entering client ID and client secret. You can obtain these from your provider's developer console. Finally, Scope. You can define the permissions your application needs, such as email or profile information. Next, let's fill in the API endpoints. Authorize endpoint, used for initiating authorization requests. Access token endpoint, retrieves access tokens needed to access user data. Get user info endpoint, fetches details about the user, like their name, email, and profile picture. Each OpenID provider has unique endpoints. If you're unsure of these URLs, please contact your OpenID provider for assistance. To make sure the information syncs properly with Shaun Social, map the user fields. User ID map, typically set to ID. Email map, maps to email. Name map, maps to name. Avatar map, maps to picture. Once all fields are complete, switch the active option to yes if you want this provider to be available immediately, and then click Submit to save. And that's it. You've successfully added a new OpenID provider. You can now view, edit, or deactivate providers anytime in this section. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more guides on using Shaun Social.